guys, it's a great day and I am back with another video. So while I was editing this vlog, I felt that it was lacking, maybe because I wasn't talking and explaining the things that we did. So that's why I'm doing this sit down thing so that I can explain further the things that happened. So basically this video is all about my introduction to freediving experience, and if you guys also want to try freediving, then this video might be for you. How did I learn about freediving? So I learned about freediving because I see it a lot on my For You page on TikTok and a lot of social media accounts, and also from my friend Josh. You might have known Josh from my past vlogs. Josh is one of the reasons why I wanted to learn freediving, because he is my budolero in life. It was last December pa that we wanted to try freediving, but we just didn't have the chance. So since it's summer and we wanted to try something different, something that we haven't tried before, so I searched for freediving groups in Davao and I observed that slots get full so quickly. I messaged several Facebook pages, but slots were already full. And when I messaged home team, there were actually 2 slots left na lang, but coach was kind enough to cater 1 more person pa. So we decided to push through because we know that we will be busy when school starts. Are we late?
Take your final breath.
Hapit na pa-surface. Iyan na ang kamot para kami mag-plaster sa inyong katawan.
Okay, take your final breath.
And go.
Okay, put your right arm down slowly. Nice. Put your left arm down
Hindi,
slowly.
kasi para pagsabihan.
Do your body stand.
Pungita ako sa music. Hi! Day 1 of introduction to freediving is done.
May music!
And how was it for the both of you?
Ilan ano ma? It was max mo. It was max mo
free.
sa ano? 113?
Ang pinakadugan yung mo na
113. Yung akong last
breath
kay 50 ka. Si Ate Isa ang first placer sa I think. Kasi,
Hindi
Uy, may naka 1 minute and 38 seconds good. Ako na yun.
Oh.
Ay, like that.
Ako ang pinakadugay no kay 1 minute and 16 seconds.
Mine is 1 minute and 10. Pero wala mang giingon ni coach ang third set.
Sige, mag-breath hold tayo pa uwi.
Pero lami ka ayo, gikan kay coach, ingnan kag very good.
Yes! Woo!
Thank you, Coach Chris.
Tomorrow we will have the open water session in Samal.
We'll see you guys here.
What have you learned today?
Ang na-learn ko
Sushi.
today is yung epiclotis natin. If kung mag-close yung epiclotis natin. So
Ay,
you
paano
cannot...
yun? But anyway, we learned a lot today. Kato breath hold, tapos
Pag-scuba
duck dive.
diving.
Then
Tapos naka-try ako long fins. Long fins mo tawag.
Oo. Ako din, naka-try din ako ng
Yeah.
short and long fins.
Basta lingaw siya guys. So
Yes.
mag-ano na mo ah.
Dito na mga
Magastos na. If kung na mo extra money, why not?
It's a must try.
Uh-uh.
So, it's a must try niya pag abot ugma dito sa dagat na jud kay. Ayoko na.
I-edit ko lang ni Vic.
So during day 1, before starting, we had a short theory session. Coach discussed basically the introduction to freediving. So she talked about equalization, pressure effects, and sensations that we feel underwater, and also basic physiology. So after the brief lecture, we stretched, warmed up, went into the pool to perform the wet static breath hold. You basically hold your breath for as long as you can, and then coach will also be giving instructions that we have to follow. So after doing the wet static breath hold, we also practice the duck dive. The duck dive is a technique that freedivers use to leave the surface of the water. I look silly the first time doing it. Unfortunately, wala ko'y video, but mura ko basta nagkayamukat ko. So after that, I got the chance to try the short and long fins, which I don't have a video of. I was surprised by how easily I could get from one side of the pool to the other compared to kanang wala kay fins. This introduction to freediving offers a 2-day course So first day is the pool session, and then the second day will be the open water session.
Niladaan ha. So prepare drink water para ready na ta for today's videos. Kisa ba tong nagamit og
Hi! Siglang tag-smile, ani.
Groupmate kami.
Groupmate sila. Dili
Siya ang nalahi.
Dili may groupmate. Group 1 kung group 2 sila. Lunchtime, 10:30.
Guys, look at your... Okay na, fresh na po. Dala sa kilid. Nice, cute.
Bye, vlog! Bye! So during the second day, we rode a boat to go to the open water where we will be doing our 5-meter line diving. Unfortunately, I don't have a video of my first line diving experience kay the GoPro was with Kuya Christian and Miko. It was terrifying because lahi jud pag naka sa pool compared to when you're in open water. During my first attempt, I think I just pulled the rope twice lang and went back up immediately because I was anxious. But my following attempts were better because I got to relax and really just take time and be comfortable underwater. So every time we pull the rope, we have to equalize, and then once you're done equalizing, you pull again until you reach the bottom. You can also stay there for a while if kaya pa, and go back up. So here's a photo of me doing the line dive. Look at video, unfortunately. After line diving, we practiced our duck dive in the open water. So, katawanan kaya akong duck dive. Awat masobraan jud ko, muna makatumbling ko. So that is something that I should work on. Kay magsige lang tagtumbling ani na. So that was my first free diving experience. It was great. I definitely want to do it again. I still have a lot to learn because this is after all the introduction to free diving. But this course has everything that you need to get started on your free diving goals. So if you're interested in learning free diving, I suggest you book a slot in Home Team. Home Team is the fastest growing free diving community in Davao, and they offer a 2-day course, the one that we did. So they have 1 theory session, 1 pool session, and 1 open water session. So if you join their intro lesson, you can also join them in their future boat dives and training. So if you want to book a slot, you can message their page for more details. I will put their Facebook page in the description box below. I think their next schedule is in mid-August, but I suggest you book ahead because slots get full fast. Just a disclaimer, this is a non-certification course, and certification courses are different and it costs a lot. I think its cost is similar to having scuba diving certification courses. But I tell you that it's got everything you need to get started. I'm so glad that I landed sa Home Team because the people there are very welcoming and they really help you grow, learn, and just help you become comfortable underwater. So thank you, Home Team, especially to Coach Chris for that wonderful experience. If you want to learn free diving, I hope this video helped you. So if you're new to my channel and want to see more of my videos, you can hit the subscribe button. I don't say that often, but please subscribe. Watch more of my videos if you want to see travel vlogs, fashion, lifestyle, name it. That is all for today's video, and as always, spread love, alyssa joy. Bye!